Welcome to Endo 3D Model Space YouTube channel. I haven't been making videos pretty for a while, and finally I'm back to this format, and I hope I'm going to produce videos more often now. But what I would like to show you today is this very nice tools, or at least I have been reading a lot of it and watching other videos. This is Phrozen Sonic Saber, which I hope gonna be really game changer in my work with resin 3D printed parts. And I have now many projects, not only for sale but also for my own modeling. Of course, my main project already for a while, this is our old gantry 1 to 200 model, and as you see here there are supports which are sometimes even thicker than the main structures of this mast, and of course just to cut them with just normal cutters, yeah, like this one, or even like fine one from Tamiya or Faller, yeah, it's sometimes really problematic. And even if you manage to cut support without damaging main structure, what is left there, some kind of piece of resin which you either then try to remove with a scalpel or with some file or sanding paper, and that of course makes a lot of headache to do. And what I hope could be a really game changer, so this Sonic Saber. And today I just want to make just a box opening video, unboxing, and just show you what is inside. And in next videos I will show also how it works with my different projects, also this small toy design space battleship Yamato. Yeah, you see it's also really tiny parts here. Yeah. Awesome mast, for example, which I designed recently for one of my customers. This is for First World War Chrysler, German Chrysler. This is a searchlight mast in 1 to 100 scale, and as you see, it's also some tiny beams, but support sometimes even thicker than these beams. And here I really hope it will help. So now we can go and open the box. So it's still sealed, and let's see what is inside. Yeah, so it's accessories, gloves, instructions, safety and warranty, and here it is, this device itself. So I see this is main model. Yep, and with a really this knife. So one blade is already installed, cover it. What we have also here, okay, power supply, yeah, for U plug, yeah, and also, okay, they also provide, I don't know how many, but actually it's pretty many replacement blades. So that's, I think, very nice of them, because I wasn't sure they provided this. In the description I think it was not really clearly written. Okay, so box is empty, so nothing inside left. And this, how does it, so the main device look like. It's actually really nicely done, very, I mean, quality produced. And so that's, I hope it now will be my main tools, not only to remove support from resin prints, but also maybe to cut plastic, and also maybe to remove support from filament prints. So here it is. And by the way, I have got email today from Phrozen that they are now already opened EU website. So in principle, you can buy it now directly in Europe from their website, because before they only had American website. It was, of course, a little bit more problematic to order it from USA, because it will be import taxes, delivery, and so on. But now it looks like it should be possible to order it from EU side. So welcome to follow my next videos, where I will show you how this nice tool works on support removal for my different projects. See you later.